Hello, this is Randy Goodwin, your Westbrook Travel Trailer Rep, and we are here in the 245 RKLC, that's Rear Kitchen Luxury Camping. Westbrook is manufactured by Forest River exclusively for campers in RV, and this particular model comes in just at 29 feet and 6,000 pounds, so you can enjoy camping in all the state and national parks. Again, we've got a rear kitchen design which has tons of cabinets and counter space, a very large window in the rear to give you great view, as well as a big window over the dinette out on the camp side. We've got a 40-inch television over top, a Camp King bed, our patented drop frame storage with over 50 cubic feet of storage on the outside, and of course a nice comfortable place to sit, relax, and enjoy yourself in the Westbrook 245 RKLC. Available at Campers in RV.